Hello everyone, I need help. What in the world do I have here? The stapler. I don't need to do. It's got a date of what looks like 2004. Oh, 1908 looks like. Okay, yeah, October 13th, 1908. The stapler type thing. There's all that. That all works. That's all nice and clean. Everything's working on it except one thing. Put them in there like that. And I'm sorry. Terrible cameraman. It needs to be 90 degrees. This thing here does. Either this needs to spin 90 degrees, which I don't think it will. Or I need to get another one of these made or machined or found so that it will staple the way I want it to. Clutch driven. Neat old thing. Well, actually, it's got a little electric motor right there, but I'm gonna put that back here. I guess that goes way down there somewhere for some reason or another. There's where that was. So I picked this up at Textan auction the other day. Hey, check it out. It picks up a staple for you. I guess gets them out of the way. But I don't see a model number on it anywhere, dang it. So I can't really Google it. Hopefully somebody here will recognize it and say, ooh, and that might be where I hear a click, 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 click. Oh, ooh, let's do that for you real quick. Nope, that clicks a lot faster. Oh, I know, it's that chain right there. Okay, I'll throw some chain oil on that. But I don't have the foot pedal hooked up just yet. So. Oh, I guess I should have showed you this action here. It loads. Of course, it's all loaded up right now. I'm good to go. I got more staples than I'll ever use. I need help identifying it so that I can Google it. Learn from it. Thank you.